In 1865, as defeat closed in, Confederate leaders discussed arming the enslaved. Even General Robert E. Lee supported the idea, but it was too late. The war ended before any real units were formed. This showed the hypocrisy of the Confederacy. They built their cause on slavery, but in the end, they expected African Americans to fight for a cause that denied their own freedom. Native nations faced their own hard choices. Some sided with the Union, while others with the Confederacy. Many were forced into the fight through treaties, or promises that were later broken. After the war, the Union Army turned west and broke treaty after treaty, taking native lands by force.
How did the Union gain the upper hand?
By 1864, the Union had stronger numbers and resources. General Ulysses S. Grant took command in the East. He pressed Robert E. Lee's army again and again, even with heavy losses. General William Sherman marched through Georgia, burning railroads, crops and supplies. His march to the sea broke the will of the Confederacy. African Americans played a growing role, not only as soldiers but also as guides and scouts. Many had escaped from plantations, and now used their knowledge of the land against the Confederacy.
How did the Civil War end?
By spring, the Confederacy was falling apart. Union troops cut off supplies and captured key cities. Robert E. Lee surrendered to Grant at Appomattox Courthouse on April 9, 1865. And when Lee handed over his army, it marked the collapse of the Confederacy. The Union was saved, and the United States would remain one nation. And slavery was abolished later that year by the 13th Amendment. Nearly 4 million African Americans were freed. But freedom was not equality. Southern states created black codes to control the lives of freed people, and violence replaced their chains. Only days after the surrender, Lincoln was unalived, leaving the country in crisis.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story at Getting to the Roots on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.